If you have been feeling stuffed up, coughing, or dealing with that uncomfortable throat sensation from mucus and phlegm, you are not alone. Today, I am going to dive with you people and tell you the natural, effective, and the fast ways to clear mucus and phlegm to help you breathe easy and feel refreshed. Let's get started to know the natural, fastest ways to clear mucus and phlegm. Let's first understand what is mucus and phlegm. By understanding, let's understand why we produce mucus and phlegm. Mucus is a natural lubricant and a protective layer in our respiratory system. It traps the dust, bacteria, and other irritants. However, when you are sick or exposed to irritants like smoke or allergens, your body produces extra mucus to flush out the harmful substances. Phlegm, on the other hand, refers to the mucus that builds up in your throat and chest. It can feel uncomfortable, but it's actually your body way of protecting you. Let's first now talk about the quick natural remedies to clear the mucus and the phlegm. One of the simplest and the most effective ways is to stay hydrated actually. And the way to loosen mucus is by staying hydrated. Water, warm, herbal teas, and broth help thin the mucus, making it easier to expel. Add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for that extra soothing boost. Number 2 is the steam therapy. Steam is a magic for breaking down the mucus. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and add a few drops of eucalyptus and a peppermint oil. Cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply for around 5 to 10 minutes. This clears your nasal passages and soothes your throat. The number 1 and the number 3 remedy is the ginger, honey, and the lemon exhaler. Why I am taking it to exaggerate? Why? Because ginger, honey, and lemon are very well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Honey is a natural antibacterial. Lemon helps break down the mucus. Mix freshly grated ginger with warm water, a teaspoon of honey, and a squeeze of lemon. Sip this powerful exhaler to relieve your congestion. Number 4 is the salt water gargle. Gargling with warm water, which is with the salt, is an age-old remedy to reduce the throat irritation and clear out the mucus. Dissolve half a tablespoon of salt in a glass of warm water, gargle for around 30 seconds, and spit it out. Repeat this twice a day for best results, and this is actually going to help a lot. Another one is the fifth one, which is the spicy foods. Yes, foods like chili peppers, garlic, and the horseradish contains compounds like capsaicin, that can actually thin the mucus and make it easier to expel. A warm bowl of spicy soup can be a delicious way to clear your sinuses if you are infected with that as well. Let's talk about the sixth number, which is the turmeric milk. Yes, turmeric is a powerful and a natural anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. Mix a tablespoon or a teaspoon of a turmeric powder with a cup of warm water, warm milk, and add a pinch of black pepper for better absorption. Drink this before bedtime to soothe your throat and reduce the mucus buildup. Yes, the number 7 is the pineapple juice. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with an anti-inflammatory properties that helps break down and thin your mucus. A glass of fresh pineapple juice not only tastes great but also can work wonders for clearing your phlegm. Let's talk about the essential oils diffusion. Essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, and the tea tree oil can help open up your nasal passages. Use a diffuser in your room to inhale these therapeutic oils throughout the day for a consistent and a good relief. Number 9 is the apple cider vinegar. Yes, you heard that right. Apple cider vinegar helps restore the pH balance of your body and can thin the mucus. Mix a tablespoon of ACV with a glass of warm water and a teaspoon of honey. Now drink this once or twice a day for quick results. Number 10 is the herbal remedies. Herbs like thyme and peppermint are excellent for clearing your mucus. You can steep these herbs in hot water to make tea. Thyme is antimicrobial and peppermint contains menthol, which helps soothe your airways. Number 11 is the onion and honey syrup. Now, onions are rich in sulfur compounds that help break down mucus. Yes, while honey soothes the throat, onion is there for you to break down the mucus. Slice an onion, sprinkle some sugar or drizzle honey over it. Let it sit for a few hours. The syrup that forms is a potent natural remedy to clear your phlegm or mucus. Let's talk about the number 12, which is a warm compress on the chest. Applying a warm compress on your chest helps loosen the mucus in the chest area. Simply soak a towel in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your chest for around 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. The number 13 is the peppermint tea or lozenges. Peppermint contain menthol, which act as a natural decongestant. Sip on peppermint tea or suck on a peppermint lozenges to relieve throat discomfort and break down the mucus present in your nose, in your throat as well. And yes, so this was all about today's video where I did talk about so many different ways through which you can clear out the mucus and try benefiting your body. Remember, your body is working to protect you and you have to protect it as well. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to this channel as well.